Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss networking fundamentals. What is computer network? A computer network is a collection of computers and other hardware components interconnected by communication channel, that is cables or satellites, that allows sharing of resources and information. How networks are designed? First one is peer-to-peer, P2P architecture. Second, client-server architecture. Peer-to-peer architecture. Networks in which all the computers have an equal status are called peer-to-peer networks. Generally, in such a network, each terminal has equal competent CPU. Client-server architecture. Networks in which contains computer have special dedicated tasks providing services to other computers are called client-server networks. The computers which provide services are called servers and the ones that use the services are called clients. There are two major types of network: local area network LAN and wide area network WAN. A local area network is one which connects computer and devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, computer laboratory, office building, closely positioned group of buildings. Usually, local area network offer very high speed and are used for connecting computers and peripherals such as printers, scanners, etc. A wide area network WAN is one which covers a broad area. This is any network that link across metropolitan, regional or national boundaries. The internet is the most popular WAN and is used by business, governments, non-profit organization, individual consumers, artists, entertainers and many more. Internet. What it means? The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite to serve billions of users worldwide. It is the network of networks that consist of millions of private, public, academic, business and government networks. Internet is one of the most useful technology of modern times which help you in our daily, personal and professional life. Internet is widely used by students, educational institutions, scientists and professionals to gather information for research and general information. Business use the internet to access complex database such as financial database. The internet is the largest encyclopedia for all age groups. The internet helps in maintaining contact with friends and retrieve who lives across the different locations via internet charting system and email software. Internet is also becoming a major source of entertainment for the general public. World Wide Web. World Wide Web, abbreviated as WWW or W3, commonly known as Web, is the system of interlinked hypertext document accessed via Internet. With the web browser, one can view web pages that may contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia and navigate between them via hyperlinks. Information is stored on the web server referred to as web pages are retrieved by using the web browser such as Firefox on the local computer. A web browser is a software used to view the websites and acts as an interface between the user and the World Wide Web. A web server is a computer that stores websites and their related files for viewing on the internet. Some of the advantages associated with the networks are data sharing, hardware sharing, internet access sharing, usage of network-based application. Data sharing. One of the most important use of networking is to allow the sharing of data. User can send text files, spreadsheet, documents, presentation, audio file, video file, etc. to the users. Hardware sharing. Hardware components such as printer, scanner, etc. can also be shared. For example, instead of purchasing 10 printers for each user, one printer can be purchased and shared among the multiple users, thus saving the cost. Internet access sharing. You can purchase a single internet connection and share it among other computers in a network instead of purchasing multiple internet connection for each computer. This is very commonly found in the internet cafe, browsing centers, schools, colleges, companies, etc. Usage of network-based application such as web browser, email clients, chat application, audio video calling, etc. is another advantage. How we can access the internet? To use the internet, you need internet connection. Internet connections are provided by internet service provider such as Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, BSNL, Airtel, MTS, Vodafone, Tata Docomo, etc. Who is the Internet Service Provider? In Internet Service Provider, ISP is an organization which provides you with access of internet via dial-up or hardwired or wireless connection. Choosing the connectivity depends on the availability of the particular technology, speed and connection type in your area. Usually small and medium business users, home users use connectivity types such as DSL, cable modem, dial-up, broadband wireless, 3G. Medium to large business users or customers with more demanding requirements may use high-speed connectivity such as DSL high speed, ISDN, etc. What is modem? A modem is a device that converts the digital computer signal into a form of analog signal that can travel over the phone lines. It also reconverts the analog signal back into digital signal. The word modem is derived from its function, modulator and demodulator. Okay, in the next video I will complete next topic. Thank you very much.